We're out exploring again with my mate Con to the Golden Lake that I found on the satellite map. We just hiked through the forest for about a few kilometers and reached our campsite next to the lake.
We're hoping to catch some big lake trout today, and my private chef Michael here will be cooking them up for dinner.
Yeah, should be good. Let's see where he takes us.
We got like 6 hours of daylight.
Yeah, the sun sets at 9, so 7 hours. Alright, so you may have noticed that there are tons of standing dead trees around this Golden Lake. And the reason behind that is Golden Dam is actually an artificial dam. Years ago, this part of the land has been intentionally flooded to create a hydroelectric dam. As a matter of fact, where I'm standing right now would be underwater when the lake is at its full level. Connor's just exhausted out there. So I think we might go back to our camp and set up our shelters and give it another go in the afternoon.
That's so cool.
According to my essential equipment, this poo belongs to... could be a deer. I reckon it's a Bennett's wallaby. Isn't this cool? It's got his name engraved in it. That's dope.
I didn't do it myself.
Life's good.
Yeah, it's pretty dope. Oh my god.
Disaster.
Trip's ruined. Life sucks.
I'm going home. So this lake is full of these rock-looking soils. Well, we have no idea what these are. They just break off like this. It doesn't stink at all. So if anyone knows what these are, please let me know in the comments because I'm really curious. We didn't manage to catch any trout, so I've prepared some wallaby tacos for dinner. Onions and tomatoes and avocado, and chuck the wallaby in the fire. So good thing about a marinade is I've already put a half a cup of oil inside the batch, so I don't need to bring an extra oil out for the pan, so which is really handy. I've also got some coriander, lime, orange juice, soy sauce, garlic and onion in this batch, so the wallaby should be nice and juicy. Smells really good. Oh, you hear that?
Yep. Am I the viewers as well as me?
Yeah. Wow.
Wow. You have not held back on the garlic.
Everything's lining up perfectly. All stars align. I used to have this, after watching the movie Castaway, I always had this fear of a plane crashing into water and I might be the only survivor on the flight and stuff. So I always carried swimming goggles.
Bro, that's f***ing crazy. Why don't you just take a pile of meat or something? Dude, are you kidding? Goggles?
Yeah, swimming goggles. Started doing it as a kid, but I still do it.
Wow, that's a next level of organised. You're organising yourself for a potential plane crash.
of onion, avocado, there's lime. It's a wallaby taco. I'll let you have the first one, man.
You serious? Oh my god, man.
Good?
Yeah, this is insane.
Oh, yeah, well, I haven't tried it yet.
Oh my god. Yes! It's delicious. Wallaby's tender.
Mm.
The marinade's amazing. A little bit of spice in there.
Yeah, I put a half a jalapeno in actually.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah. Oh my god, man.
So,
It's fresh.
Is it a hit for outdoor chef Mikey?
Mm-hmm. That's your best meal you've cooked me so far, mate.
So I just hung up the leftover food and cutlery up in the tree because we don't want any wildlife to be coming to our camp tonight because of the smell of the food. Morning.
What am I doing wrong? It's harder than I expected. I have a backpack full of shallots, onions, garlic, butter, green beans that I'm going to be taking home with me today. Because no trout. I have so many ingredients. Just wondering what I'm going to do with them now.
So that was our first experience in the west coast of Tassie. It's really nice to experience these lakes in comparison to all the mountains and oceans that I've been used to. And experiencing all these vast landscapes and all the stars from the night sky we saw made me realize there really aren't much things to be worrying about in life after all.
I was saying to Michael this morning, sort of getting out of your tent and looking out over the lake and seeing the mountains and stuff, it's almost overwhelming to sort of see that as soon as you wake up, but such a cool experience to try out. New bushwalking spot, and what a great campsite, and what an amazing wallaby taco.
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it?
Great marinade.
Yeah. We look forward to our next adventure, and we'll see you then.